This is here's damage from last night's super flood from Hurricane Lee. You see that cars has been pushed on the corners. Car has been parked, has been pushed together. Trash is spewing all over the place. They're saying that 20th and Godfrey is still submerged in the water. Trash is all over. There's a big sinkhole in the street again that was supposed to have been fixed by the city. You know what I mean? It's just unbelievable how 10 cars are basically all over the place. You know what I mean? It's ridiculous. This is the strength in the form of rain. Again,